Lovey, can you sit on your booty, please? You say mommy again?
Mommy.
Lovey, are you mommy's best girl? Yeah?
Yum, yum, yum.
You gonna finish up the graham snacks?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you have some water. Good girl. You gonna sit on your chair? Good girl. That's the perfect spot for you.
Mm.
Can you say daddy? Can you say, Quinn, can you say puppy?
Puppy.
Can you say Tate? Very good. Can you say baby?
Baby.
Very good. Can you say kitty? Yes, very good. Can you say grandpa? Yep. Can you say grandma? Well, we're working on that one, aren't we? Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
Can you say pizza?
Pizza.
Very good. Can you say right there? Can you say that? Right there. Yeah? Yeah? Are you wearing sparkly shoes? Yeah. Did you choose those shoes all by yourself? Yeah. Did Daddy help you put them on? Yeah. I know. Hey, Quinn, are you mommy's best girl?
Yeah.
Yeah.